Hello, today let's learn how to create WhatsApp poll. So polls are a great way to solicit for ideas from group members, for example in a WhatsApp group. So this one, for instance, is a poll soliciting for the ideas of how relevant a presentation was. So you can choose from one. To start with, you click on the paperclip icon, that is the attach icon. You click on it. So after clicking on it, then you choose poll just below there. So from there you have ask question, the options for the question, and you can also allow multiple answers or make it just a single answer. So first you begin with the question. Which question do you want to ask? For example, are you ready for today's program? So let's say, are you ready for today's class on let's say prompt engineering, or better so you can say AI tools and prompt engineering. Then what options do you want the members to choose from, or those answering which options do you want to choose from? For example, yes, I can't wait. So one of the options can be yes, I can't wait, or let's say no, I won't be available, something like that. So just the choices that you want them to make. So oh snap, I won't be available. You can decide to add more. Remember, this can be done only in WhatsApp groups or individual chats. You cannot do this in a broadcast message. So you can allow multiple answers or disable multiple answers. All right. So when you are done, you click on the send icon. Then you wait for it to roll on the page. You can decide to format it well, just like I am doing. So when you are done, you click on the send icon. I have disabled multiple answers. Click on send icon and then you wait for it to roll. So you can see now here is it. Let's check some of the responses. So for now, 6 people are saying yes, they can't wait, and 2 are saying they won't be available. So let me know if there is any question that you want to ask. You can click on view votes. So after clicking on the view votes, you get to know those who answered either a yes or a no. I hope you enjoyed this. Alright, watch out for more. Thank you.